We brought together 16 participants from more than 11 universities. Welcome to the first RIG Bootcamp on Foundational Behavior Models here at KIT. We want them to combine their own expertise with our in-house expertise on foundation models and foundation behavior models. And the hope is that by coming together, by collaborating, we're able to bring upon the next level, the next big foundation models. We're going to push hard, we're going to get something done, and we're going to show that we can actually further foundation models also made here in Germany. So let's go!
This bootcamp was particularly exciting because we would have PhD students from all over Germany collaborating, each specialized in one specific domain in robotics, and we would exchange ideas and come up with novel ideas and implement by the end of the week and probably take it home to our home university.
We will of course continue with imitation learning, but also we're looking into things like reinforcement learning. So after learning from humans, how can the robots improve their behavior afterwards by themselves? And we're gonna do this, or we're gonna show this on tasks such as like playing with Lego bricks, assembling, disassembling things, right? Like this all children love, but also on making coffee. And both of these tasks are actually very challenging in their own rights. Robots are still far from it, and we're gonna show that we can get them there.
Also als forschungsnahes Startup ist es für uns von besonderer Bedeutung, wenn hier so ein Event stattfindet, wo das Top-Talent in Deutschland im Bereich Robot Learning zusammenkommt und wir einen Einblick bekommen, wie wir als Startup die Forschung in Deutschland in Robot Learning unterstützen können.
I believe that this event will show that more of these events are necessary and more of these events will actually help us to further our overall research agenda within Germany and within the field of robot learning in Germany.